Welcome to our channel. Securing your home Wi-Fi network is essential for protecting your personal data and preventing unauthorized users from accessing your internet connection and potentially your devices. Step 1. Access your router's admin panel by entering your router's IP address into a web browser, typically found on a label on the router or in its documentation. Step 2. Change the default administrator password immediately, as these default credentials are widely known and represent the biggest security vulnerability. Step 3. Update your router's firmware by checking for updates in the admin panel and installing the latest version to patch known security vulnerabilities. Step 4. Change your Wi-Fi network name from the default to something unique that doesn't reveal your router brand or model, but avoid using personally identifiable information. Step 5. Set a strong Wi-Fi password using at least 16 characters, including uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and special characters, making it difficult to crack. Step 6. Enable WPA3 encryption if your router supports it, or use WPA2 at minimum, never using outdated WEP encryption, which can be cracked in minutes. Step 7. Disable WPS, as this convenient feature has known security flaws that allow attackers to bypass your strong password and gain access. Step 8. Hide your network SSID by disabling SSID broadcast in your router settings, making your network invisible to casual browsing, though not to determined attackers. Step 9. Enable the router's firewall and configure it to block incoming connections while allowing your outgoing traffic. Step 10. Create a separate guest network for visitors and smart home devices, isolating them from your main network where your computers and phones connect. Your home Wi-Fi is now significantly more secure against common attacks. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.